Okay, so my name is David Goldstein with AGL Welding Supply. We're in Clifton, New Jersey. The whole purpose of kind of doing this, between showcasing where they're going, what they're, what's coming, at the same time, just really getting everybody together, to share ideas and, get, other ways of doing things or just improve on how you're doing your own stuff. Absolutely always eye-opening event. A lot of great conversation and information being shared across the board. This year's roundtables were, I think, even better than last year, the first time going with it. So it's been awesome all around that. Networking, I spent a lot of time, in the roundtable. So it's, a lot of conversation there. And so it's just nonstop.